Alright, so first things first, what you need to do is sign up for a ChatGPT account. It's a very simple process. What you need to do is head over to www.openai.com. From there, what you need to do is click on this option. Then what you need to do is enter in your email address, or if you've got a Gmail account, you're going to be able to sign up using your Google account. And the only thing that you're realistically going to need is a phone number so that they can verify that you're a real person. Besides that, it's completely free to use. So step number one when it comes to this entire process of making money online with ChatGPT is to first and foremost find an affiliate offer to promote. And there's so many different affiliate networks out there. For example, ClickBank, Digistore24, Impact, PartnerStack. But in today's example, I'm going to be using ClickBank, but you can also use the same method with any product out there that you want to promote. Now, once you've signed up for a ClickBank account, you're going to see this affiliate marketplace. What you need to do is first and foremost pick one of these different categories at the top. Now, I'd recommend that you pick a product that you believe that you have some sort of interest in or some sort of advanced knowledge, so that when it comes to you now creating content, specifically on TikTok, you're going to be able to post content on a daily basis. So for example, with myself, I'm very interested in topics to do with e-business and e-marketing, so I'm just going to click on that. Then what you need to do is sort the results by gravity score, high to low. And for those of you out there that are new to ClickBank and you're not really sure of exactly what the gravity score means, it's basically showing us which affiliate marketers out there are having more success with when it comes to them being able to get conversions. So for example, people out there right now are having more success when it comes to promoting this product with a high gravity score compared to the ones at the bottom with a lower gravity score. But of course, you also need to make sure that you're reading up on the description of the product that you're going to be promoting and making sure that it's going to appeal to the audience that you're going to go after. So for example, even though this product here has a high gravity score, the fact that it's about live chat jobs, I may not necessarily care about that. My audience may not care about that, or the people that I may target don't care about that. So I may not want to promote this even though it's got a high gravity score. However, this one has a lower gravity score, but the amount of money that I'm going to make in commissions is a little bit higher. And it's a little bit more of a general product in terms of the actual audience that I'm going after. So of course, you need to bear all of this stuff in mind when it comes to you picking whatever product that you're going to promote. All right, so moving on to the next thing that you need to do once you've got an idea of what types of products you're going to promote, what type of category you're going to focus on, is to head back over to ChatGPT and start a new discussion. And the way that you're going to be able to do that is by clicking on new chat. And the main way that we're going to be using this AI bot with this particular affiliate marketing method is to create an ebook. And the reason why I'm going to use it to create an ebook is because I want to use that ebook as a lead magnet. And for those of you that don't know exactly what a lead magnet is, it's something that you're going to give someone for free, and in exchange they're going to give you their email address. And once you've got their email address and you've added them into an email list, you're going to be able to now send them out various different valuable emails in relation to the topic of that ebook, as well as also send them out various different affiliate offers. So for example, just to show you exactly how ChatGPT is going to help you with all of this, as you can see, I started a brand new discussion. So I said hi. He now said, hello, how can I help you today? I said, can you write me an ebook? He then said, sure, I'd be happy to write an ebook. It then came back with all of this stuff about what I need to know about writing an ebook. I then replied and said, can you write an ebook for me about starting an online business? It then came back and said, sure, I'd be happy to write an ebook about starting an online business. It then gave me every single chapter and the talking points within those chapters. And once it done that, all I did is that I copied and pasted the first chapter and said, can you write me a 500-word chapter on chapter 1. That's exactly what I done. I did the exact same thing for chapter 2. It came back with another 500 words, same thing for chapter 3, etc, etc. And you're going to be able to do the exact same thing too. Just make sure that you tell it to do one thing at a time, because it's not going to be able to write 2,000 words, 5,000 words in one go. And the good thing about using this particular AI bot is that it's not going to copy and paste any information from the internet. It's going to give you unique information every single time. So if you're someone that's not really good at writing, or you're not capable of writing your own ebook, you're going to be able to use ChatGPT to basically do it for you in a matter of minutes. Then what you need to do is copy the entire ebook, paste it into Word, making sure that you format it, making sure that you make it look nice. You may also want to insert some images, but one of the most important things that you need to do is read through it, make sure the information is accurate. Also make sure that you do a grammar and spelling check as well, because the last thing that you want to do is send out an ebook that has so many different mistakes, because all that's going to do is reduce your chances of you being able to make conversions once you start sending out all of your different affiliate offers. The more effort that you're able to put into making sure that your ebook is accurate, the more trust that you're going to build up with the people that sign up for the free ebook. So once you've checked it and you're happy with it, what you then need to do is go to File, go to Save As, and make sure that you change the file format to PDF, and then click on this option over here where it says Best for Electronic Distribution and Accessibility. Click on that and then click on Export. So once you've saved that as a PDF, the next thing that you need to do is head over to Canva and create your ebook cover. And to do this is very simple. All you're going to do is type in ebook over here, and then it's going to give you all of these different templates that you can choose from. But just to make this video simple, I'm just going to click on this one over here. And from this point, you're going to be able to make simple changes to this ebook cover. So for example, I may want to change the author to Success with Sam, just like that. You're going to be able to change it to whatever you want. Something simple like that. Of course, you can make any other changes that you want to, but I'm just using this as an example. Then what you now need to do is click on share and then download. So moving on to the next step, if you are following along with everything so far, is that you need to now build a landing page. So by this point, you would have already decided on what product you're going to promote or what category you're going to focus on. And you would have already used ChatGPT when it comes to creating your ebook. Once you've got all of that ready, you now need to build out your landing page. And a landing page is simply what you're going to use when it comes to letting people know that you even have an ebook available that you're going to give them for free. But the main benefit to using a landing page is that you're going to be able to collect the person's email address. From there, you can now send them out valuable emails, as well as also send them out affiliate offers. And one of the websites that I use when it comes to creating landing pages is Aweber. And if you want to sign up for a free account, you could do that by clicking the link in my description down below. So once you've logged into your account, you're going to come over to this section over here where it says pages and forms. Then you're going to see landing pages, and this is the page that you're going to see. You're then going to see all of these different offers here, but the one that I'm going to use as an example is this one where it says ebook offer. So you just need to click on choose. From here, you're going to be able to make any changes to any element that you want. So for example, if I want to delete this top header right here, I could just delete that just like that. Then I can also update this image. So for example, I've just updated it with the ebook cover that we just created on Canva. Then what I'm going to do is change the title. In this section here, you can just type something about the book. So I might say, get my free online business handbook today to give you the steps needed to start an online business as a complete beginner. And then it's just going to be a case of you going through the rest of it, deleting all of the different sections that you don't want. From there, you're going to be able to copy your landing page and paste it into any method of getting traffic that you're planning on doing, whether it's posting daily TikToks, whether it's YouTube Shorts. The goal from this point is to post daily content on any one of these different platforms. And once someone clicks on your landing page link, you're going to automatically send out the ebook to them. Send out maybe 2-3 different valuable emails about the category, making sure that you're providing as much value as possible. Then you can head back over to your affiliate network, copy and paste the affiliate link, and then start sending that out to people so that you can start making commissions. But of course, this video was just a basic guide, just to kind of give you guys an understanding of what you need to know if you're a beginner when it comes to starting affiliate marketing using ChatGPT. But if you want to sign up for my email list, where twice a week I'm going to personally send you out an email to give you guys a little bit more information about doing affiliate marketing. Sometimes I may even send emails about dropshipping, maybe Amazon FBA, but whatever the case is, I'm going to send you out an email every single week to help you on your money making journey. So you can sign up for that email list by clicking the first link in my description down below. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down some other important things that I didn't really touch on in this video, if you are a beginner that's looking to start affiliate marketing, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that video out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. All right guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.